everyone, we are back with me today for subscription video for December, the last one of the year. And today we are going to be brewing our newest Costa Rica from Solis from Vala Blanca, that's the farm name. And this is a yellow Catuai variety, black honey process. This coffee have a little bit of vibrancies, a lot of deep sweetness like berries and chocolate, a little bit of nuttiness toward the end, like pecan, and overall a complex coffee, but we're going to be using a simple recipe to bring out some of that vibrancy, mix in with the sweetness and syrupy, juicy body to balance out the cup. We're going to switch things up today by using the switch. Today, for the recipe, pretty simple. We're going to be using 20 grams of coffee, 320 grams of water, a standard 1:16 ratio, and there's going to be 3 pours. And the first 2 pour, we're going to keep the switch open. And then the last pour, we're going to close the switch. So there's going to be percolations brewing in the first 2 parts to get the vibrant acidity. And then immersion brew in the last part to get that sweetness and body into your cup to produce this balanced cup. For the grinder today, we are using the X Ultra. And our grind size will be 2 rotations and 5 clicks, which is going to be on the medium coarse side. So a little bit more about this coffee as well, and a little bit more about Solis, who is the producer. I met Ivan about 2 years ago in Greece and one of the World Coffee Competition. And I was introduced to Ivan by a friend called Buddha, who's owned a roastery in Sweden. And we got talking, then we started sampling coffee from Ivan. Then we found a coffee that we really enjoy. We started bringing his coffee in last year. And then, so this is the second year that we direct trade. So the coffee is shipped direct from Costa Rica to us. Let's get the paper filter. We are using the Kafek T90 medium roast because of its speed, and it usually results in a nice balanced cup as well. Just to rinse out the paper. Let's put the coffee in. 20 grams of coffee, 320 grams of water. The pour structure will be, the first 2 pour is 60 grams each. You're gonna do 60 grams for 30 seconds, so that's all will be the bloom. And then we are gonna add 60 grams again. And at 1 minute, we are gonna close the switch, add 200 grams of water, and stir 10 times, back and forward. And then at 2 minutes, we are gonna open the switch and let it drain. So let me get the spoon and then we get the start. Water today will be at 90 degrees Celsius. 60, so this will be the bloom. And okay, 30 seconds, we're gonna add 60 more grams. So your total will be at 120 at this point. Okay, and then at 1 minute, we're gonna close the switch. Now you're still gonna have some of the water left on the ground at 1 minute. Just a little bit of that water. Okay, close the switch, and then we're gonna add the rest of the water. Gonna go all the way up to 320. Great. And then gonna do a quick stir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Right, this timing point is about 1 minute and 30. We're gonna let it sit. At 2 minutes, we can open. Now, for those of you who don't have the switch, this last pour, instead of 200, you're gonna do 100 and 100 instead. So it's become a 4 pours for those that don't have a switch. So 60, 60, 100, 100 to be 320. Okay, perfect. At 2 minutes, we're gonna let go. And now you can go do some stuff like rinse your cup, clean your grinder, go take a shower. Don't go take a shower, it's too long. Put your grinder away. Total brew time today will be just a little bit over 3 minutes. Okay, we are at 3 minutes and 10. The aroma, you already smell the sweet stone fruit, almost like cooked plum. In here, a little bit of chocolate as well. And a nice blueberry notes in there as well too. So a little bit of floral. All right, I'm gonna share this with Steely, who's behind the camera today. Well, almost every day behind the camera. Cheers. Quite syrupy in the body, a little bit of juiciness as well. You can start tasting some of that stone fruit like plum. Cooked berries for me, so it's quite sweet. A little bit of that chocolate coffee almonds, a bit nuttiness coming through, a bit of chocolate coming through as well. So quite sweet in the cup. Now once it cooled down more, that acidity and vibrancy should come out more as well. Even now, when it's cooled down, the berry notes start coming out more. I start having more mixed berries. It's gonna finish a little bit more on that chocolate as well. So start off with vibrant and finish sweet. And this has been pretty consistent with our cupping throughout as well. We see that acidity come up and sweet on the finish. So it's a mixed blend of that vibrant cup and sweet, comfortable cup toward the finish. So thank you very much for joining me today. I really hope that you will enjoy this coffee from Costa Rica, produced by Solis. Enjoy your break. We will be back in January. Can you believe it? It's New Year already. Enjoy your holiday, eat lots of good food, drink lots of good coffee. Thank you very much, everyone, for your support. From everyone here at Roadwave Coffee. See you in 2025. Bye.